Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. In this video we'll be going over a solution on addressing the metal to metal contact on the GR8FLEX. Now this is specifically to the U-bolt on the pulley system. You know, when it swivels, it's rubbing against the frame of the GR8FLEX, and as you can see there's already some metal loss on the right side of the frame. You'll find the same result on the left side of the frame. We have the metal loss showing and even some rust building up from where the paint has scratched away. Now the solution that I'm going to show in this video, I can't take full credit for it. It was actually brought to my attention in a comment in one of my videos from our sliding bench family. Now this person recommended to put a washer on the pulley attachment so it can act as a barrier to mitigate the metal to metal contact, and it made a lot of sense, so I decided to try it. So the tools I use for this job is an Allen wrench and a crescent, and I went ahead and used 3 washers for each pulley attachment. So after I removed the pulley attachment, went ahead and cleaned up the frame and added 2 washers on the top side of the pulley attachment and 1 washer on the bottom side of the bolt that holds the pulley attachment together. And so what this did was increase the gap between the pulley attachment and the frame. And so this effort followed my first attempt of adding 1 washer on the top and bottom side of the pulley attachment. But when I did that, I did notice that that pulley attachment still was grinding against the frame and didn't mitigate the metal to metal contact. And so I noticed that with 2 washers, the top washer is acting as a glide bearing to the bottom washer. So in this case, we're pretty much 100% mitigating any metal to metal contact to that frame. And so here we'll get a closer look of what I'm seeing as I'm swiveling the pulley attachment. So after this, I went ahead and added a little touch-up paint, and everything looks good as new. I really appreciate the idea. This worked really well, and this is a prime example of why I created this channel, so we can put together a community to share our ideas and get the most out of our sliding benches. Alright everyone, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless.